this video, we will learn how to write the katakana characters ta, chi, tsu, te, and to. Ta is 3 strokes. Beginning the second stroke, come up to the right a little bit and then down to the left. The first and the second stroke should be symmetrical. On the third stroke, push down on your brush and then come down a little bit. Chi is 3 strokes. The third stroke should be right in the middle of the second stroke. Tsu is 3 strokes. On these first 2 strokes as well, push the brush down and then come down a little bit. Te is 3 strokes. The first stroke should be coming up a little bit. And the third stroke should be right in the middle of the second stroke. Leave room here so that a triangle shape can fit. To is 2 strokes. The second stroke should be made about 1/3 of the way down.